here from the Working Yarn. Today I'll be showing you how to do a decrease, a single crochet 3 together. The abbreviation is SC3TOG, and if you're in the UK, a single crochet is also known as a double crochet. So right here I have 2 rows of single crochet. If you don't know how to do a single crochet or you need a refresher, I'll put in the description below links on how to do the foundation chain and the single crochet. So let's get started. So let's turn our work. To do the single crochet 3 together, it starts off similar to do a single crochet, but I'll show you where it differs. So let's chain 1. We're going to skip this first stitch. I'm going to insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, just as a single crochet, but to do the decrease, we're going to, in the next stitch over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. Now we got 3 loops on the hook. Then in the third stitch over, we're going to insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. Now we got 4 loops. We're going to yarn over and pull through all of those 4 loops. And that is a single crochet 3 together. Let's do that again. Insert the hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull through. Insert the hook into the second stitch, yarn over, pull through. Insert the hook into the third stitch, yarn over and pull through. We're going to now yarn over and pull through all of those 4 loops. There you go. One more time. Insert the hook into the first stitch, yarn over and pull through. Insert the hook into the second stitch, yarn over, pull through. Insert the hook into the third and last stitch, yarn over and then pull through. Got 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all of those 4 loops. And there is our row of single crochet 3 together. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. And if you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button below so you can be kept updated on all the videos from the Working Yarn. Wherever you are in the world, happy crocheting. Bye!